Troops, good morning. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever Company merch, Breeze Liquid Detergent. Sa Breeze Liquid Detergent, meron tayong Breeze Liquid Detergent Stain Action Bula. Nasa 570 ml, 670 ml. Next, meron din tayong New Breeze Gentle and Free Liquid Detergent with lavender and rice milk. Available for 980 ml. I-deliver po yan. You can buy it from any grocery stores, mga malls grocery stores. Yung Breeze Liquid Detergent, isa lang po yung sa mga Unilever Company merch. Next, meron din tayong New Breeze Power Machine Liquid Detergent. Better stain removal with machine wash versus powder. Available for 980 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Breeze Gentle and Free with lavender and rice milk liquid detergent. Available for 650 ml. Deliver po yan. Next, meron din tayong New Breeze Power Machine Liquid Detergent. Better stain removal with machine wash versus powder. Available for 650 ml. Next, meron din tayong small pack Breeze Power Machine Liquid Detergent. Available po yan sa 64 ml. Deliver po yan. Next, meron din tayong Breeze Front Load. 64 ml din po yan. Next, meron din tayong New Breeze Power Machine Liquid Detergent. Available po yan sa 60 ml. Unilever po yan. Ginawa ko tong video na to para alam nyo kung ano-ano mga iba't bang uri ng Unilever Company merch. Yung Breeze Liquid Detergent, isa lang po yun sa Unilever Company merch. You can buy it from any grocery stores, mga malls grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Breeze Power Machine Liquid Detergent. 64 ml din po yan. Power machine. And next, meron din tayong small pack na Breeze Gentle and Free with lavender rice milk liquid detergent. Available po yan for 60 ml. Unilever po yan. That's it for today's Unilever Company merch. Breeze Liquid Detergent. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merch videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all always. Thank you for watching.